Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves developing algorithms and systems that can perceive, reason, learn, and make decisions to solve complex problems. Before diving into the video, please subscribe to our channel. Here are the basics of artificial intelligence. 1. Perception. AI systems are designed to perceive and understand the world through various input sources such as sensors, cameras, or microphones. They gather data from their environment and convert it into a form that can be processed. 2. Reasoning. AI systems use reasoning to analyze and interpret the data they perceive. They apply logical and statistical techniques to make sense of the information, identify patterns, and draw conclusions. 3. Learning. AI systems have the ability to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Machine learning is a key subset of AI that focuses on training algorithms to automatically learn from examples or experience. This process involves exposing the AI system to large amounts of data and allowing it to discover patterns and relationships independently. 4. Decision-making. Based on the knowledge acquired through perception, reasoning, and learning, AI systems can make decisions or take actions. They use predefined rules or algorithms to evaluate different options and select the best course of action to achieve a specific goal. 5. Natural language processing. AI systems often incorporate natural language processing techniques to understand and interact with human language. This allows them to process and analyze text or speech input, generate human-like responses, and perform tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, or voice recognition. 6. Computer vision. Computer vision is another important aspect of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret visual information. AI systems equipped with computer vision can analyze images, recognize objects or faces, and extract meaningful insights from visual data. 7. Robotics. AI and robotics often go hand in hand. AI-powered robots can perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and perform physical tasks autonomously or in collaboration with humans. They are used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration. 8. Ethics and bias. As AI systems become more sophisticated, ethical considerations and bias become significant. Ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and aligned with human values is crucial to avoid reinforcing existing biases or causing harm. It's important to note that AI is a broad and rapidly evolving field with many subfields and applications. The basics mentioned here provide a general understanding, but there is much more to explore and learn in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video if you find this useful. Goodbye.